Get acquainted with the 2019 Land Rover Range Rover. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Enjoy a view of this superlative Land Rover Range Rover, the ultimate in luxury performance vehicles. Sophisticated, modern, and endowed with legendary off-road capability, it simply takes your breath away. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, head-up display, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, 360-degree view car camera, panoramic roof, navigation system, moonroof, keyless entry, power passenger seat, heated rear seat. Don't miss the chance to drive this powerful and sumptuously appointed Range Rover. Our team will give you an outstanding road test experience. Stop in today.